Hi guys, so today I am going to install Rising OS 2.2 in this Moto H30. Let's get started. First of all, make sure that all the data has been backed up, or you may lose your data. This is going to format your device, so make sure your data is backed up. Now let's do the settings. Go to About Phone Settings and then click build number 8 times. Then put in your password. Now go to developer options, turn on USB debugging, and make sure you have turned on OEM unlocking. My OEM unlocking is already turned on. So that's set. Now let's move to the PC screen. Now I forgot to tell you one last thing. What you have to do is you have to power up your device and then you have to go to fast boot mode. Now click volume down and power button together. You can see it is in fast boot mode. So we are in fast boot mode right now. Now just grab your cable and connect with your computer. Now let's move to the PC screen. Sorry for the inconvenience, but I could not do screen recording on my PC due to some driver issues, and that would take time to be fixed. Now open your browser, search for SDK Platform tools. Now click on the first link. Scroll down and click download for Windows if you are using Windows, and if you are on Mac or Linux then you can choose as per your requirements. Now just go to the folder, extract it. Link will be available in the description, so do not worry about that. Now we have to download drivers, Fastboot and ADB drivers. You will get the link for this one also in the description. Now go to the place where you have downloaded the drivers, extract it here. Now double click to run. Click Y, press enter, again Y, enter, again Y, enter, and now will install the drivers. Done. Now open platform tools folder, click here and type CMD. Now type fastboot devices to make sure that your device is connected. Right now it's not showing up any device. If your device is not showing up, then go to device manager. Check for any USB device which is connected. Now you can see Fastboot Dubai S, it's connected, but the driver is not installed. If it is happening in your case, then let me tell you how to fix it. Just click on update drivers, browse, then pick, then click on Android device. Now click on bootloader interface and click next. Click yes. It will install the drivers. It's successfully installed. Now just try fastboot devices once again. You can see device is connected. Now what you have to do, let me show you. So I'm getting on the official page of Motorola on unlocking the bootloader, and I'll tell you how to unlock it using that guide. Now you have to sign in with your Google account or your Motorola account if you have any. So I'm finally logged in with a Google account. Now just scroll down and You can click here to get the Motorola drivers if you are unable to see the CMD, and this also does not fix that. This should fix it. This program should fix that, but in case if you are not able to fix it, then you can get the Motorola drivers from here. Now we have to get the Fastboot unlock code. So we have to copy this and go to the command prompt and paste it. Now click enter. You can see the data here, and this is very important. You have to keep this data with you. Now make sure that your OEM unlocking is on, or this will not work. So what you have to do is you have to paste that ID here. So let me first copy it, copy it. Now open a text editor, paste it here, and just remove this bootloader from starting stages. Click request unlock key, and let me tell you that this is going to void your warranty. If you have your phone in warranty and you do not want to lose that, then make sure you do not follow it. Now click request unlock key. Okay, so I am going to get an email. You'll get an email with your unlock key, like you can see here. So just log in with your email ID. You can see here I have got an email from Motorola. So this is my unlock key. Just copy it, and this is a very crucial process. So make sure your data cable is alright, you are connected well. Okay, so now just again type Fastboot devices for confirmation. Okay, it's connected. Now type Fastboot OEM unlock. You can see the guide here, Fastboot OEM unlock, and now you have to paste the unlock key that you got on the mail. Just right click and click enter. So you can see on the screen, you'll get this message. Just a second, let me focus. Do not unlock the key or unlock the key. So you have to click volume down and up to control this. Click volume down and then click power button to confirm that you have to unlock the bootloader. With that's done, now let's turn on our device and see whether the bootloader is unlocked. You can see flashing is unlocked. Now just press start and this will turn on your device. You can see it's showing that bootloader is unlocked. You can see phone is on now, and let me show you in the settings whether it's the bootloader is unlocked or not. You can see developer options, then you can see OEM unlocking. You can see the message bootloader is already unlocked. Now let's start the flashing process. Now after the bootloader is unlocked, if you want to install a custom ROM, for example in my case I'm going to install this Rising OS, then you have to flash a custom recovery. So I'm going to flash Lineage OS recovery. Firstly, I need these two files, flash bdto images and vendor images. So I'll get them first. Vendor boot and bdto. Now after it is installed, you have to flash it just like this. Now just transfer the file on the desktop so that it's easier. Now open platform tools, type CMD. Now check for Fastboot devices. Make sure your device is connected in this mode. Click enter. If you are not able to see your device, just plug it out and make it like this. And now try Fastboot devices. You can see now you have to flash vendor partition and bdto partition. So just go to the website and copy the command. Now go to command prompt, space, and now just transfer the bdto file here. Click enter. It's installed. Now you have to flash vendor boot image. Again go to our website, copy the command, now paste it here, give a space, and then transfer the drag and drop the vendor file here. Click enter. So it's flashed now. Now again go to the website. After this is done, just click next. Now we have to install the Leneage OS recovery. Just follow the commands here. Reboot to recovery once again. Click enter. Okay. Fastboot, reboot, bootloader. It will reboot back into the bootloader mode. You can see. Now check for Fastboot devices. Make sure there is an ID here available, like this one. When that's done, now we have to boot into the recovery mode. Now just download here Leneage OS recovery. Boot.img. Now type fastboot space boot, flash space boot space. Now just drag and drop the boot file here. Now it is finished flashing it. You can see it's now booted up into the Leneage OS recovery mode. You have to type the command fastboot reboot recovery, or you can use the buttons volume up and power button together to boot into this mode. It's super simple. Now what you have to do is you have to flash a file. Let me show you this file. I'll leave a link in the description. You have to flash this copy partitions file. I'll leave the link in the description below. Now just open CMD once again. Now type, first of all you need to set your phone up. Go to apply update, click ADB. Now it will start ADB. Just select type ADB devices to verify. You can see sideload is connected. Type ADB sideload space, drag and drop the file, this copy partitions file, just drag and drop. Now click enter. You can see it's flashing. If it fails signature verification, do not worry, just click yes, it will be installed. Now it's installed. Now what you have to do after flashing that copy partitions, just click advanced and reboot to recovery. Once it's rebooted, click apply update, apply from ADB, and make sure your data cable is connected. Now let's go to the PC screen, open CMD, now check for ADB devices. You can see it's attached. Now just click ADB sideload space Rising OS. Now click enter. You can see the installation has started, and there also it's 2% right now. Let's wait for it to be completed now. So at 47% you will come around this error. Just click volume down and click yes. Then again click volume down and click yes. This will start installing. And now just wait for it to be completed. On the screen you can see. Now you'll get this message. To install additional packages, you need to reboot the recovery first. Do you want to reboot the recovery now? Now click yes. Now you can see Rising OS recovery has been installed, and it's installed in slot A. Just click factory reset once. It's done. Now go back and click reboot system now. So you can see Rising OS booting up. So you can see I'm finally there into Rising OS. Now let me just set the phone up. Now we are finally in there, Rising OS. You can see Rising OS Motorola H30. And let me show you the Android version. Where is that? Here. Android 14 version 2.2. Finally got an update of Android 14 in this device. Now let us have a look at the amazing features of this ROM. Firstly, let me show what works. So I have tested this device from around an hour, and I think everything works alright. Even the display screen refresh rate also works alright. 60Hz, 90Hz, all works just fine. Buttery smooth. I don't find any issues here. Also vibration, sound, 5G network is also working. I think the issue is there with the camera application. In this way the inbuilt camera is not working. So let's try another camera whether it works or not. So you can see other camera, open camera works just alright. So it is just that this camera is broken and nothing else. Everything else works just fine. This comes with unlimited photo backup. Let me show you. Can backup unlimited photos and videos at no charge. And there is a special toggle for customization in the settings. You can see the personalize option here. When you click on it, you get a great bunch of options to customize the looks of the device. Also you get this spoofing options like higher FPS in games, 4K Netflix, GMS spoof, unlimited photo backup storage, smart fixes, etc. And everything seemed to work alright. And one special feature that I found on this ROM is this depth wallpaper. Thanks a lot for watching my video. I hope you guys liked it. Please share, like, subscribe.